guys, so today we're driving, and we're driving an airplane, and, okay, passengers, just to let you know, I just don't know how to drive, they just suddenly hired me, oh, shoot, okay, chill, here, no, here, our goal is to go at the purple, let's go crash, meow. We're landing, guys. Landing, and I don't know how to drive a plane. Oh, failed the exam. Okay, chill. It's not like I was trying to crash. Okay. Meow. Okay, we're going too high up. Okay, guys. Okay. We're just gonna be staying up here. Okay, we can't go down while doing that sound. Okay, that's it. I'm going back to my pilot simulator. That's my favorite one because I like it. Only there are towers here. Traffic Car Pro. I'm looking for more on airplanes and not cars. Like car. Okay, let's go. It's gold. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's go. I'm a human. Accept mission. Okay, mission 1 this is your full flight. First full flight. Take a start mission. Okay. Let's go high up. Oh shoot. Okay, how am I gonna go up? Okay. Oh shoot. Are those people trying to raise me? Don't shoot there because I'm gonna go full on. Low altitude, okay. How are those people faster than me? Where are you trying to go on? Okay, now we need to go landing. I don't know how to drive, people. We're going altitude. Okay. Oh, I'm pretty sure I know how much drive a plane, I think. Let's go low altitude. Oh, at speed trails. I bet. Going fast as heck, people. Oh shoot. Oh, I crashed. Like, what the heck was that? Oh, bus. Oh, okay. Good drive a bus. I bet. I know. I said on the last time I'm more on like airplanes. It looked cool. Ayo, what a verity. Retry mission. Okay. Start mission. Skip briefing. Okay, guys, let's go. On full on. Then here. Okay, we lost our two fastings. Oh shoot. Okay, so we're gonna die, guys. This is my first time driving. Oh shoot, we're gonna end up like those guys. Yes, I'm enjoying it. No, not right now. Continue. Okay. Oh shoot. They should have didn't. I swear I
This zoo
hate
just
ads.
opened today.
Just
Let's go
hate
take
this.
a look and see if anyone's hiding something secret in here. A gun? Gimme, gimme, gimme! Hey! Why does everyone have a dangerous gun on them? What are you guys hiding that's so dangerous? Ooh.
Can't skip yet because there's no skip button.
Holy
A
sh!
dinosaur?
There's actually a T-Rex here! That's so cool! Wait, what? I can turn into a dinosaur too? This is absolutely insane!
Okay, now he's gonna destroy the whole thing.
Behold my power!
Killed everything. The people are scared the dinosaurs are extinct. Let's go. Did you know a frog can jump higher than a dinosaur? Because a dinosaur is it. Chill. Whatever happens if I get caught? Chill, bro. I'm just trying to comb you. So you get perfect and you can get lots of girl sponge. Whoa, it's a cool one. Mission. Wait a minute, I got free flight. Abort mission. Free flight. Let's go free flight, guys. We can finally drive alone. Oh shoot, guys. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh. That was the fastest one I've ever had. Respawn. Hey. Free flight again. You know, I always wanted a free flight. We gotta go careful again. Okay, now we're up the sky, guys. Oh shoot. Oh, I can't control it. Ooh, is that a hot air balloon? Glad they aren't popping. We're going too fast. Why don't we go a little slower? What happens if I pop one of these? Oh, nothing I guess? No. No ad break. Ooh, no airplane. I like that. Wait, we gotta uninstall apps first. We gotta uninstall apps first, like I don't know app. Oh yeah, I forgot. I got this one. This one. 2 apps for my 2 apps I just downloaded. Pilot Simulator. Okay. Oh shoot. I swear this is wrong. What the heck is Dr. That's what oh I like this plane. I'm gonna keep this plane for real. Oh, towers! Wow. We're not crashing into the waters. Crashing. No! Oh shoot! Oh my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Oh shoot. Okay, we gotta drive this way. Oh no! We crashed into the water, guys. I can't handle it. I saw the towers. Double. Dude, just bacon. I saw the skip button now. And what do you mean parademics? So, what's your current location? I like the YouTuber Melfi, but they're on their video thumbnails. It's like fake. They're also their videos too, because the thumbnail is just like monster cake spider thing. And I wish you could become honest with his thumbnails to make like a something that we actually don't know. I wonder if he'll actually do some. Oh shoot, airplane. I wonder if he'll actually do something like that. Oh, what is that? What is that? Why is there like something there? You see the hide thing? No. Yeah. Okay, my life as a pilot. No. Whenever I cancel it, keep getting. Girl. How did you get there? Plus, why the snake move so slowly? You should have pushed it that already before you even got to this hole, girl. Are you dumb? Yeah, she's totally dumb. I don't care if she's okay. I'm not saving her, I'm just playing the game because they keep forcing me. Banana, banana. I wonder when my suffering here is gonna end. It's gonna survive. Oh, never mind, it's here, or whatever they called it. About to save her, guys. Gotta clear the basketball. What the heck was that? Win. Win, yay! Match factory. Yay! Oh shoot. Okay, we're back. Oh yeah, I forgot. We could go faster. Yeah, wait, I don't know. I don't want to end my run. That was I was saying. I want to crash into them. Ooh, some skyscraper we got there, right? It's a shame I can't pop those balloons. Let's go soar through the seas. Oh shoot. Airplane? Where are you going? Airplane buddies. Meow. Oh my gosh, what is this? Gosh. Scissors has to win. Seesaw. I think I got an idea for the. Oh yeah, I do got an idea for the rock paper scissors. How about the last thing? Okay. Meow. Meow. How is it going so faster than me? I'm more than the speed. What else do they mean? And what happened? I don't know what's happening to my airplane. Okay, how am I going? Oh, holy bazonkas! Okay, at least my wing didn't, got. That's just blah blah blah. Oh, I thought it declined. Anyways, bye guys.